Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a limoncello cocktail. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 ounces of chilled limoncello, 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice, and a ½ ounce of simple syrup. Don't forget some sparkling water or club soda for fizz, and plenty of ice. Having a lemon slice or a sprig of mint for garnish will elevate your drink's presentation. Now, let's start mixing. Take your cocktail shaker and add 2 ounces of your favorite limoncello. Next, pour in 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. If you like a sweeter drink, add about a ½ ounce of simple syrup. Fill the shaker with ice, ensuring it's about 2/3 full. Secure the lid tightly and shake well for 15 to 20 seconds until thoroughly chilled. It's time to serve your refreshing creation. Grab a chilled glass, preferably a highball or a rocks glass, and fill it with fresh ice. Strain the well-chilled limoncello mixture directly over the ice. Top off your drink with about 3 ounces of sparkling water or club soda for that delightful effervescence. A gentle stir will combine everything perfectly. Your delicious limoncello cocktail is now ready to enjoy. For a fun twist, try adding a few fresh raspberries or a splash of Prosecco for a sparkling spritz. You can also experiment with different herbs like basil for an unexpected flavor. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Cheers to your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.